Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact UV source and confirming its wavelength because that determines removal steps and PPE. Turn off power at the breaker and lock it out. This prevents accidental activation. Once safe, don gloves and UV-rated goggles, then inspect the fixture. LED panels differ from mercury lamps in ballast and housing. Make sure to document lamp type and mounting. This helps you prepare the correct tools and disposal method and prevent surprises when you begin physical removal. Now disconnect and remove the fixture methodically so you avoid damage and exposure. First, open the housing and photograph or label each wire, then loosen terminal screws and cap wires with insulating connectors. Once electrical connections are safe, support the fixture and remove mounting screws. If it's heavy, get a helper. For mercury or UVC lamps, slide out bulbs into a sealed container immediately because breakage risks contamination. Make sure to handle LEDs and ballasts differently. Finish by properly disposing, replacing, and testing to ensure UV is gone. Place spent mercury lamps in hazardous waste packaging and take them to a certified recycler. LEDs and ballasts often go to electronics recycling. If you're eliminating UV entirely, install opaque covers, UV-blocking filters, or swap to low UV spectrum fixtures. Once installed, power up and measure with a UV meter at expected working distances. If you detect residual emission, recheck seals, lamp seating, and wiring. A common fix is tightening shields or replacing a damaged diffuser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.